Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, Steam has numbers for the users for January of 2023 and the market share of Windows. So, of course, we know that gamers are usually a little more in the enthusiast side. They're more advanced, often have machines that are more recent, more powerful. And it shows, of course, in the numbers for Steam. So in the Steam survey for the month of January 2023, of course, the dominant operating system is Windows 10, but it lost almost 2%, which is a big dip. And actually, it goes with Windows 11 that actually gained 2%. So Windows 11 now is more than 30% of the market share for gamers on Steam. So we're not that far away from 1/3 of all gamers, Steam gamers, now moving on to Windows 11. And like I said, they do have machines that usually are more powerful, so there's probably a lot more people on Steam that are playing games that can actually move on and are compatible with Windows 11. So Windows 10 does hold the number one spot at 63.4%, but it is kind of interesting. A little more than a year and more than 30%. It shows that gamers, a lot of gamers like and want to move on to a more recent operating system. As for the hardware side, of course, Intel dominates as usual, and it's 66% of owners that have an Intel CPU. 33% have an AMD. And of course, the most popular graphics adapter for gaming is still NVIDIA. This is, and has been for a long time, the top gaming performance cards for people, so for gamers out there. So interesting to see that more than 30% now are on Windows 11 on the Steam survey. So if we take numbers, the general numbers, we have the numbers from, of course, the GStats that actually are giving us a average number of, in the 16, 15, 16, 17% range. We have the Steam, the gamers, more in the 30% range. We had some that are very low and below 10. I don't think it's below 10. That I don't believe that it's below 10. I think if we look at the overall picture, I think the GStats numbers at around 17 or 18% are probably the closest to the reality of how many people are on Windows 11. Once again, that's not really rising that fast. It's rising faster on Steam for gamers, but overall, it's not rising that fast. So I don't expect to have Windows 11, take the world by storm in 2023 if it continues like this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.